So, nagbubook ako ng Karim at the moment. Yung fresh ko ngayon, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Ang ganda ko dyan. Sabi ko sa inyo, dapat lang yung hashtag, ang ganda ni Kay Toretto sa personal. Ganon. Yan, we're booking Karim, we're going to... Hindi siya kita. Kita ba? Hindi. O, hayaan mo na. Basta nag-book tayo ng Karim and we're gonna go to Pakistan Monument. Ang fresh ko, mami. Alam mo yan. Hey, good evening, everybody. So, as part of my content for today, let me try to make a video like how safe it is to ride a Karim bike here. Because a lot of you were asking, is it safe for a woman to ride a bike in Pakistan? So, I hope today I'll be able to answer that question. So for today's video, I'm gonna go to Pakistan Monument. So come with me as I explore it. And as you can see, I'm riding a bike going to Pakistan Monument. And I have friends there. Hello! So I hope it's beautiful there.